Hello everyone, Bastion here. Today we have an Xbox 360 controller. Now this is actually my original 360 controller I got when I bought my original Xbox, which was 2007, 2008. I don't remember it. It still works today at the very least. But it's seen better days, as you can tell from how worn down some of these sticks are. Which I'm fine with that. What I really want to do is just clean it up because, like I said, it's had roughly, I think I stopped playing with 360 in 2015, so 7 or 8 years of grime built up, and also this button may need to be replaced. Still clicks to here, but this one's like, no. Also, there's some drifting on this stick, so we're gonna take it all apart, clean it all up, and yeah. So, what you want to do to start with, you turn it over. You see in the back, there's actually 7 screws here. 6 on the sides, 1 that's located underneath this little tab right here. Now you're going to need a T8 security bit, one with an actual hole in the center of it. Since I didn't have that, I just took a flathead and basically unscrew as much as I possibly could while also breaking the little middle screw. So currently I have 4 out. I still only get these last few out. And I actually broke the middle center thing, so I actually use this. So yeah, we're going to just take this apart, and then we'll catch up from there. Alright, after all the screws are out, what you want to do is just gently try to pry it up. Like I said, this has this hasn't been opened yet at all, and it also has a whole bunch of gunk along the seams. So yeah, there we go. All that gunk from everything else. Ugh. So here's the inner workings. This even has pet hair in it. Good. So yeah, we're going to give everything like the actual good clean up and everything. But, so, after you get that out, this should just slide right out. It's stuck on something. There we go. Alright, so we're actually going to take the rubber motors off. Just unplug you, set you aside. We're going to clean that off with some isopropyl alcohol. Because I broke that. I also have no other idea how to clean that off, so yeah. And now we're stuck with this part. This thing's actually not bolted in, it's just stuck in. There we go. Parts over there, take you, slide you out. And there's the motherboard. Surprisingly doesn't look too bad. Still needs some cleaning. These thumbsticks need cleaning as well. And I'll get to this back in a second. Here we have this. You just slide that up right here. And yeah, okay, wait, let's see. Which one was it? It was RB that was giving me troubles. I should be fine still. I don't know why that wasn't working correctly. It still clicks just fine. Now we'll just clean up and clean up everything else. But yeah, look at all this hand gunk. Yuck. Take you out. Gonna give all these a very good clean. All these pumps out. Take you out as well. That's what it looks like, in case you're wondering. Just gotta turn you around and just drop everything out. Look at all the stuff that just fell off onto my little mat. Ugh. And then we're finally down to this base part, which the only thing left really is the buttons and the D-pad, which to get the D-pad out has 2 little screws in there that are Phillips heads. And also, if you can barely see, there's like little tabs you have to press on either side to actually get it out. So I don't know if I can actually get that out easily. So I might just end up leaving that in. Because I don't think I have pliers that I can actually use that with. Yep, so I can't get that out. I don't have pry. I bent these because they're so weak. So, yeah, I don't have tweezers that I can actually get that last part out, unfortunately. So, yeah, that's the basis of it. I am going to give these things a good wash, like literally everything. And the final couple things I want to get off are these thumbsticks, which is the way you do this. Thumbsticks. Triggers. Want to just pull it sideways so it's like that. And then we're going to kind of like try to do a little bit more elegant than that, but it just happened like that, unfortunately. Pull you out. Don't lose the spring. Set you aside. So when it comes to putting it back in, it's going to be a lot more difficult. Or not, shouldn't be that too difficult. But same thing on the other side as well. Just take this little tab right here, slide us to the opposite side of this little other tab, and then just slide it down like that. Then we're going to launch it across the room. Luckily, didn't actually get too far. And there you go. That's why you have to be careful. The final things we're going to do is just pull these off, and just on both sides. Yeah. There's on the board. So that's essentially everything that we needed to do for right now. So we're going to give everything a good cleaning. And I mean a good cleaning, because a lot of gunk all over the place in this. And then I'm going to try to clean these out. Probably won't be able to clean these out very easily. But yeah. So let's go do that, and then I'll be right back to put it all back together. Alright, so everything's all cleaned up. Sticks are kind of iffy. Still a bit rough. Buns are all pressy. Looks all nice and good on both sides. The motors are cleaned up, no more hair all over the place. Everything's cleaned up again, and all that stuff out of here, which is good. And it's all dried up. So, first things first, hit the Phillips head, yep. We're going to put these screws back into the D-pad before I forget, because I end up forgetting simple stuff like that. And I also don't know if it's actually even going to be worth it to have them out. Alright, also, I'm going to walk through what I actually did to clean everything. So, well, for the plastic pieces, took them over to my bathroom sink, filled it up with warm soapy water, dunked them in there, used a toothbrush, and got all the gunk out of these little crevices, like here, along these edges. And it's not perfect because there's still discoloration, which I don't think the camera's going to show up very well, due to the fact that it's not the best camcorder. But other than that, got rid of all the gunk and everything. So we're gonna set that aside. Then we're gonna get the triggers back in place. So let's see. This is going to be the right trigger, right? That's gonna be the left trigger. No, I know. Yeah. It's going to be the right trigger. Okay. Let's put it back together. Oop. Spring goes in that little divot right there in the hole. Going to put it on this other little extrusion right there. Walk on there. Hold you down. Lift you up. Pick you up. Okay, fine. Pick it up in a second. After we get that in there like that, then we'll take you, try to get it up there, Taking it apart is always easy. Putting it back together is where it gets the difficult parts. There we go. Alright, we're doing this side now. There we go. Triggers are connected. Alright, we're going to set you aside. Go to here. Set you in place. Feels like it should just work just fine now. And then we're going to put all these things back together. Now this, I don't remember which way it came out of. I'm guessing like this. Yep, there we go. Like so. Take you, slide you back in. I don't think the starter select buttons actually matter as much. As long as I go in the right way. If they end up backwards, I don't care because, well, it's my own console, which, there we go. And now, time to find out if they do it the same, like Microsoft does it the same way as Nintendo does, and they can only go in one way. Crap. I don't remember. Yep, that looks like that's true. Only go in one way. Like so. Take the, let's go like this. Yeah, like so. Then this one. Pop you on like that. And we're going to carefully set you aside, make sure nothing pops out. And the final thing we have to put on before we actually put the put this back through are the thumbsticks. Which, actually I think I cleaned up well enough that actually does feel a bit better. So I'll try to put them on the exact same ones that they came off of, because the grooves are worn in there for a reason, because that's the way I used them. Which, there we go. Oh, mic fell down. Alright. Take you and you. Turn you over. Just slide you in there like so. Alright. Put the motors back in. I don't know if these matter. I really don't. So hopefully they don't matter. Hopefully they don't matter, I should say. We set you in there like so. Make sure that these aren't covering any screw holes right here. There we go. It's a bit better than it was. And the thumbsticks actually do feel better, so that's good. Button presses all work. D-pad presses. So I'm pretty sure that the only thing wrong with this one is just that this part's just really old. So the springiness of the plastic probably ran out. So yeah, we're going to put it back together and see if everything works. And since this battery pack actually doesn't work, I just plug it in directly. Let's see. D-pad works just fine. It still requires a lot of pressing, but that's because it's broken. Oh, you hear that? So yeah, that one just busted. I just slap it if I actually want to use it. Oh well. A works, B works, Y works, X works. Okay, Star works, and back works. Can't wait to test these ones out. That would launch a game. So, good that everything works on it, except for this part. Which, it does work, I just gotta press up here instead. I'm only going to be using this for playing Halo anyway, so as long as I can press up here instead of down here, it'll work. But yeah, there we go. Taking apart a 360 controller, cleaning it up, putting it back together, and still having it work. Of course, this stick is still drifting. I can't really fix that. And this one, it feels fine, but this one just drifts a little bit. It's a lot looser now that I've fixed it. Yeah, thank you all for tuning in. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe. Also, don't forget to hit that bell notification, get notified when I go live. But I'll see everyone in the next video if I do. Bye, guys.